This is Stephanie. Welcome to another video. So it's time for your Bronzepony wrap-up for March 2026. For those of you who are not familiar with the wrap-ups, this is where every month, I try to every month anyway, at the end of the month, I pick some pieces that I've made in the past, some pieces that I've made recently, and I put them all together on a video and show them to you. And what I do is I number each piece on the video, and then that number goes in the description box below this video with the link to that particular tutorial. So let's say you love this bracelet, all you have to do when you're looking at it is see what the number is, look in the description box, and it will take you directly to the tutorial. For those of you who didn't know, I've been recovering from surgery for the past few weeks. So during that time, I needed something to binge watch. So I watched Bridgerton. Now, I know that's been around for a while, but I never watched it. And I absolutely love the jewelry in that show. And some of you, a few years ago, suggested that I watch it and look at the jewelry, and I love it, absolutely love it. So it inspired me to go back to my jewelry pieces and pull out some that were sort of that I think would fit that theme. So this is what I came up with, and I can't wait to show them to you. Let's start off with the estate necklace. So here's the necklace in two different colors, and I took the chain off this one. Obviously, because I used it for something else, but it is a beautiful cubic right angle weave chain, just like this one. But isn't it funny or kind of amazing how you can take this design, which is so dressy, and if you use different stones and different beads and colors, how you can make it really like for summer. I wear this in the summer with a white button-down shirt and a pair of jeans, and it's so pretty. So here you go. There's your estate necklace. Okay, next up we have the bracelet, the estate bracelet, and the estate earrings. And I think we started with the earrings and then just went on from there. And I think this bracelet, just curved, would make a beautiful necklace. And you can do these in also in the opal colors or in, a more casual color, and you wear it all summer. I mean, I'd wear this in the summer anyway. Okay, next up we have the reflections pieces, and we have this bracelet, which I think is so pretty. And sometimes when I pull these pieces out, I look at them and I think, gee, I could have added more. So I'm definitely thinking about these 15-0s around here, and maybe, I don't know, maybe doing something around the edges, maybe making a necklace. So very pretty. I love the brown and the cyan together. And then here's the pendant. Isn't that pretty? And look at that beautiful Lunasoft cap. Beautiful. And then we have the earrings. And these are little post earrings. You could use a regular ear wire on this as well. And I'm thinking that, so I always get ideas to making a necklace, maybe 3 of these, but I would face them in this direction, 1, 2, 3, and do some maybe use the connection of the bracelet in between to make a pretty necklace. So that's possible. That might be coming up, because I always like to build on things that I've done in the past. So here you go. Here are your reflections pieces. Round bracelet. And there is a kit that I collaborated on with Eureka Crystal Beads of this bracelet, and there's a blue version also. I just took my blue version, I added some beads and made a necklace. So you could do that, but you would have to add beads on, like a few crystals. And in the tutorial, I give you everything that you'll need to make the necklace. But here, I'll give you a little close-up of the necklace. I love this necklace. I've been wearing this just around the house because, I'm still recovering. So I just wear it around the house. And it's so pretty. Love. All right, so there you go. Okay, added on the Sacred Ground earrings and the Ancient Ruins bracelet. Now, this is one we made a while ago. We made a kit for this as well. I'm not sure they're still available. But many of you, after I posted the video for the Sacred Ground necklace, asked me for earrings. So you can make the earring easily. So here's the earring right here. Now these are made with a 12mm cushion cut, but you can use a round stone, 12mm Rivoli, and make the same thing. So I'll link these both below, but love these too. Okay, we recently made this bracelet and earrings, and this is from the Fire and Ice series. So we did it in fire colors like the cyans and this deep orange color. And then we did sort of the ice colors here. And I think these are really, really pretty. I think we have, oh yeah, I did pull that out. Okay, we have a pendant as well. So I think this is a really pretty set. I was thinking maybe, I don't know, could this be a necklace? I'm so into necklaces since I watched that show because that's all you see of these gorgeous necklaces. But here you go. So this is Fire and Ice. Now, in the tutorial, you know, in the description box where the supplies are, it will give you all the fire colors as well. Okay, next up we have the Little Towers bracelet. And I don't have anything, like I don't have anything matching because I haven't made anything yet, but I really want to because I think it's such a pretty bracelet. Or earrings. You can take the same component, make an earring. And I just really want to make a necklace out of this. I just think it's screaming necklace. We'll just add something in here to make it, you know, to keep the curve in place. So loving that one. And then here is what is this one called? I'm not sure. Oh, this is the Catherine bracelet. So this is actually, I think this was from the Queen's Garden collection from Eureka Crystal Beads. So a lot of these are from from their collections. Not everything, but some are. So here, this is the bracelet, and I love the gold and the green together. I think it's so pretty. These earrings, it doesn't do justice to show them on the hand. They're so pretty when you put them on your ears. I tried to take a picture of it on my ears, but it just comes out weird. My camera is straight down, so it's, you know, but they are so pretty on. And they're very light. So there you go. Here you go. Here's your wrap up. Well, everything, it's all over the place. But here's your wrap up for March 2026. I hope you enjoyed this wrap up. Don't forget, everything that was listed on the screen has its corresponding number in the description box below the video that will lead you to with a link that'll lead you to the tutorial. Okay, so thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you next time. Bye.